Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. So students, today we have completed question number 6. Write the following polynomial in its standard form. Now yes, today we have to start write the following polynomial in coefficient form. So yes, for writing the polynomial in the coefficient form, we have to write down in the index form. Now yes, index form, what we generally do in index form, we write down the polynomial in descending orders of their powers, and if any term is missing, then we write down the 0 before the variable and we write down the missing power. So now let's see the question number 7. First one is x cube minus 2. What is the first question? X cube minus 2. And one more important thing, uh, very few students are attending the lecture. Okay, so here inform to other students to attend the lecture. Now see the solution of the first one. Okay. Now read the question. Write the following polynomials in the coefficient form. Okay. तो yes coefficient form में लिखना है. Now yes first one देखो भी ध्यान से क्या है first one x cube minus 2. Okay. Its solution. So here yes the power on the x variable is 2. Okay, so yes power on x variable on 2 is missing and power on x variable 1 is missing, and then the power on the x0 is missing, and that x0 is nothing but the it is constant term. So here how to write down, let's see. The index form of polynomial. Okay, index form of polynomial. तो here x cube. Now x cube के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? X square. But in the polynomial x square is not given. What is not given? X square. So here we will write x square and we will take the coefficient of x square as 0. When you multiply 0 into x square, you will get the 0. Okay. So here by writing 0x square, do not change the value of the polynomial. ये polynomial की value change नहीं करेगा. Now x square के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? x आना चाहिए. But x term is not present here. यहाँ पे x term present नहीं है, तो क्या होगा? Yes, we will write down as 0x and then क्या आना चाहिए? x0. तो x0 के प्लेस पे क्या है? Yes, 2 is here. क्या प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पे? 2 प्रेजेंट है. Okay. Now you see, this is x to power 1 and this is x to power 0. Okay. So now therefore coefficient form of polynomial. Okay, so here the coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of x square is 0, coefficient of x to power 1 is 0, and coefficient of x to power 0 is minus 2. Okay, so now write down in the bracket. So in this way you have to write down given polynomial in the coefficient form. Okay, now see the second question, 5y. Now see its solution. Okay, so here 5y. Now power on y is 1. तो now after the 1 there is power 0. उसके बाद क्या आता है? Power 0 आता है and that is missing. So here the index form of polynomial, So this is equals to, now here power on. Okay, now 0 power 0 will be come here. ओके नाउ ये पावर 1 है y के ऊपर इस क्वेश्चन में, तो क्या होगा नेक्स्ट में क्या होना चाहिए, y टू पावर 0 होना चाहिए। कांस्टेंट टर्म का पावर क्या होता है ऑलवेज, यस 0 होता है। नाउ देयरफॉर कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म ऑफ polynomial is equals to, now coefficient of the y to power 1 is 5 and power is 0 is equals to 0. So this is the coefficient form. Now you see the highest power on variable is 1. So here there are the two coefficients. Here the highest power on the variable is 3. So here the coefficients are 4. It means when the coefficients are 4, the highest power will be 3, and when the two coefficient will be there, the highest power will be 1. And if there are the three coefficient, the power on, yes, the highest power on polynomial will be 2. Okay, so always the number of coefficients are one more than the highest power of the polynomial, and vice versa. When the coefficients are yes, when coefficients are 5, then its power will be, yes, highest power will be 4. Means here the power of the coefficient, power on the variables, highest power on variable will be always, yes, less by 1 as compared to the number of coefficient. जितने भी coefficient होंगे उससे क्या होगा, एक कम होगा. Now see the third one. थर्ड का solution देखेंगे अभी हम लोग कि थर्ड में है क्या, what is given here. Now yes, see third one, third question. 2m to power 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Now the highest power on the variable given as 4. So here we have to write down the missing powers in the index form. Now yes, write down index form of polynomial. क्या लिखना है हम लोगों को, इंडेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. तो हियर this is equals to, now yes, 2m to power 4. Now yes, after that there should be m to power 3, but m to power 3 is not in the question. ये क्वेश्चन में है नहीं, तो क्या करेंगे, yes, we will write down 0 m and its power is 3. So here we have written m to power 3 because after the 4 there should be 3. So now yes, before that variable we have to put the 0. Yes, this you have to keep in mind. Now 0 m square, but here there is 3, okay, m square, m term is there. Now yes, after the m square there should be m term. Now m term is not in the given variable, is given polynomial. So here we will write down the 0 m plus, okay. Now yes, here no need to write the power 1 because the smallest power is 1 and it is not compulsory to show. And now yes, next one is the 7, means m to power 0. So here also for the constant term no need to write down the variable and its power 0. Okay, so yes, I have written this only for your understanding. Now in the next question, from the next question, yes, we will not write the variable and its power 0. Okay, now you see, so therefore coefficient form of polynomial is equals to, now yes, here before the m to power 4 there is 2, so 2 comma, now you see before the m cube there is 0, and before the m square there is 3, and before the m, yes, there is 0, and before the m to power 0 is equals to 7. So now you see here the highest power is 4 and the number of coefficient is 5. यहाँ पे क्या है, yes, 5 है. Now see the last question, fourth one. See the fourth one. Fourth one is minus 2 upon 3. Now yes, its solution. Here the constant term is given and constant term is given, then its coefficient will be same. तो इसका coefficient क्या होगा, same होगा, कुछ भी differences नहीं होगा. तो here write down the coefficient form of polynomial is equals to minus 2 upon 3, because yes, here, yes, constant term having the variable and its power is always 0. तो इसके बाद में क्या है, yes, कुछ अलग से होने वाला नहीं है यहाँ पे. तो yes, coefficient of this polynomial will be minus 2 upon 3. It's clear now. Now see the next question. Question number 8. Yes, observe the question. All of you observe the question. Question number 8. क्या क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है देखो. Write the polynomial in the index form. What is written here? The coefficient form are written and we have to write in the index form. Index form means writing in the power form. पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना. इंडेक्स मीन्स व्हाट? पावर. तो पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो जो अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया उसका क्या है, ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट, ये क्या है, अपोजिट है. इसके पहले क्या था, हम लोग इंडेक्स फॉर्म में लिख रहे थे. इंडेक्स फॉर्म में लिखने के बाद में उसका क्या लिख रहे थे हम लोग, यस उसका कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म लिख रहे थे. तो यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म ऑलरेडी गिवन, वी हैव टू राइट डाउन इन yes index form. So let's see the solution. Now yes, see the solution of the first one. First का solution देखो. Okay, here it is not written which variable you have to write. So yes, you can take any variable. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई वेरिएबल मेंशन नहीं किया तो आप कोई भी वेरिएबल्स क्या है चूज कर सकते हो. तो नाउ सी 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the coefficient form. So yes, now the number of coefficients are 3. So the highest power on the polynomial will be 2. So always yes, the highest power will be less than 1 by the number of coefficient. जो number of coefficient होंगे उससे हमेशा क्या होगा, highest power 1 number कम होगा. Okay, now yes, write down the number of coefficient. The number of coefficients is equals to 3. Number of coefficients are 3 in the bracket. So yes, here if it is 3, so the number of coefficients are 3. So now see, therefore the highest power, or yes you can say degree of polynomial, therefore degree of polynomial is, it is always less than 1 by the number of coefficient. तो yes 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. तो हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या होगा, yes पोलिनोमियल की 2 होगा. तो therefore yes you have to write down, therefore index form of polynomial is. तो here now we have to use the x variable. यहाँ पे x variable यूज कर रहे हैं. तो now देखो यहाँ पे x, now yes highest degree is 2. तो x के ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे 2 एंड यहाँ कोएफिशिएंट क्या है 1. ओके, नाउ यस प्लस साइन, फिर क्या होगा x टू पावर 2 है क्यों, बिकॉज क्या है यस डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल इज 2 दैट वी हैव फाउंड हियर. नाउ से यस द डिग्री ऑन द वेरिएबल विल बी 1 बिकॉज 2 के बाद क्या आएगा 1. ओके, एंड यस योर देयर इज 2, तो यस इट्स कोएफिशिएंट विल बी 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट विल बी यस x टू पावर 0, 2 1 0 होता. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे 3 होगा and this is equals to finally, because 1 is not written, okay 1 is not shown, okay coefficient 1 is not shown, so here we will write down x square and here 2, and this 1 power 1 is also not shown, so that's why we will write down only 2x, and here x to power 0 is also not shown because x to power 0 is equals to 1 and 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So this is your final answer. क्या हो गया आंसर में, x square plus 2x plus 3. It's clear now, clear हो गया. Now ये see the second one. second देखो क्या है 5, 0, 0, 0, -1. तो again the number of coefficients are 5, तो highest degree will be 4. The number of coefficient is equals to 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 coefficients are there. So therefore the degree of polynomial always less than number of coefficients by 1 is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Okay, therefore index form of polynomial, index form of polynomial is. So here we can write down the variable x, a variable y, variable z, variable p, variable q as you wish. आपकी जो भी विश होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स हम लोग चूज कर सकते हैं, बट वी जनरली राइट x and y. Okay, it is not compulsory that yes that variable that I have taken that you should also take. Okay, now see index form of the polynomial is, suppose a variable is x. So now highest power here we have found will be 4. So here we have to write down the 4. Okay. And yes, here what is written? Number 5 is written. So yes, x to power 4 के before क्या आएगा 5. Now yes plus. After the x to power 4 there should be x cube. And after that there should be x square. Then x and then constant number means 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So now yes from here we will not show the 1 and 0, लेकिन इसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से हम लोग दिखाएंगे नहीं. ओके, तो अब नाउ यस राइट डाउन द कोएफिशिएंट. ये क्या हो गया, ये सीरियल नंबर में लिख दिया मैंने. हाईएस्ट डिग्री क्या होगी 4, 4 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 1, 1 के बाद 0. ओके, तो नाउ देखो ये फर्स्ट कोएफिशिएंट क्या है 5, सेकंड कोएफिशिएंट 0, थर्ड कोएफिशिएंट क्या है ये यहाँ पे 0, फोर्थ कोएफिशिएंट क्या है ये 0 एंड फिफ्थ वन इज व्हाट -1. क्या है -1. तो नाउ दिस विल फाइनली इक्वल्स टू, अब ये फाइनली क्या हो जाएगा 5x to power 4 एंड हियर वी डू नॉट राइट द 0x क्यूब, यहाँ पे लिखते नहीं हम लोग. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे नहीं, उसको क्या करेंगे जो मिसिंग टर्म है उसको लेफ्ट कर देंगे, बिकॉज 0 इंटू एक्स क्यूब विल बी क्या हो जाएगा 0 into x cube will be 0, तो this will not be written. एंड 0 into x square ये भी क्या हो जाएगा 0 हो जाएगा, ये दोनों टर्म 0 हो जाएंगे. 0 into x to power 1 भी 0 हो जाएगा, इधर क्या बचेगा -1. ओके, तो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर 5x to power 4 -1. तो दिस इज रिटन ओनली फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये जो सीरियल नंबर में मैंने पावर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा 4, 3, 2, 1 एंड 0, 0 ऑलवेज अटैच विद द कांस्टेंट नंबर. तो यहाँ पे ये इनके बीच में हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए पॉजिटिव साइन होनी चाहिए, और वेयर एवर देयर इज नेगेटिव पुट इन द ब्रैकेट. इफ देयर इज नेगेटिव साइन इट मीन्स इट्स कोएफिशिएंट इज 0. वो क्या है कोएफिशिएंट उसका, सॉरी, इफ देयर इज नेगेटिव इट मीन्स इट्स कोएफिशिएंट इज नेगेटिव एज शोन हियर. ओके, नाउ यू सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, -2, -2, -2, -2. अगेन हियर देयर आर टोटल 4 कोएफिशिएंट. यहाँ भी कितने कोएफिशिएंट है 4 है. तो यस नंबर ऑफ sorry the degree of polynomial will be yes 3. The number of coefficient is equals to 4. So therefore the degree of polynomial is 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. तो yes here the degree will be 3. डिग्री क्या होगी 3 होगी. Now yes therefore index form of polynomial is. So here now yes we can write down yes taking any other variable. Here we have taken x and now here we are taking the y variable. Now see yes the y variable the highest power is 3. After 3 there should be 2 and after 2 there should be 1 and then 0. Okay, so there yes this 0 comes with the constant number. So now you see the numbers y cube and here there yes there is a -2, it means here -2 will come. Now you see the plus, so here +2 will come. Now again minus, so here -2 will come and this is the +2. Okay, so therefore this will become finally -2y cube plus 2y square minus 2y. Yes, because yes 1 is not necessary to show, and yes plus 2, yes y to power 0 means 1, so 2 into 1 is equals to 2. ओके, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट, ये समझ में आया आप लोगों को? देखो सभी लोग, ऑब्जर्व इट, ऑब्जर्व करो क्वेश्चन को, आंसर को। Okay, now you see the next question. Write the appropriate polynomial in the boxes. क्या है क्वेश्चन? Write the appropriate polynomial in the boxes. Appropriate polynomial को boxes में लिखना है. Okay, so now here what is meant of this question? Means here we have to classify the polynomials. तो here the polynomials are given. यहाँ polynomials दिया है. क्या क्या polynomials दिया है? Let's see. X plus 7. Next polynomial x square. Next polynomial is x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Next polynomial is 2x square plus 5x plus 10. And next polynomial is x cube plus 9. And next one is 3x square plus 5x. So yes, there total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 polynomials are given. And we know that the polynomials are classified yes into 3 groups based on their powers. As a linear polynomial when the power highest power on the variable is 1, cubic polynomial when the yes the degree of polynomial is 2, and yes when degree of polynomial 3 it is called as the quadratic polynomial. And based on the number of terms they are classified as, they are classified as monomial, binomial and trinomial. When the number of terms is only 1, then it is called as the monomial. When the number of terms are 2, then it is called as the binomial, and when the number of terms is 3, then it is called as the trinomial. So now see the first one, x plus 7. Okay, x plus 7 है. So now yes we are yes now classifying based on the powers के form में. So here the power on x is 1. द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल इज 1. तो इसकी क्या है, ये डिग्री कितनी है, 1 है. तो ये किस कैटेगरी में आएगा, ये जो है ये डिग्री 1 है, तो दिस विल कम अंडर द लीनियर पोलिनोमियल, ये लीनियर पोलिनोमियल में आएगा. तो हियर वी विल राइट डाउन यस लीनियर पोलिनोमियल में x प्लस 7 कॉमा. नाउ दिस इज द x स्क्वायर. हियर द पावर ऑन वेरिएबल इज 2. Okay, so yes here this is the cubic this is the yes quadratic polynomial because power on variable is 2. So here x square will be written under the quadratic polynomial. Now see the third one. Yes, this is the equation x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. So now the highest power on this polynomial is 3. So here the degree of polynomial is 3. That's why this will come under the cubic polynomial, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Now see the next one, 2x square plus 5x plus 10. क्या है नेक्स्ट वन, 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 10 है. तो अब देखो यहाँ पे डिग्री of this polynomial is 2, and when the degree of polynomial is 2, this will come under the quadratic polynomial. So 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Okay, now see the next one, this is the x cube plus 9. So degree of this polynomial is 3, so that's why this will come in the yes cubic polynomial. एक इसमें आएगा cubic polynomial, and cubic polynomial is here. So here you have to write down x cube plus 9. And last one here, 3x square plus 5x. 3x square plus 5x. So here degree of this polynomial is 2. So that's why this will come under the quadratic polynomial. So this will be 3x square plus 5x. Okay. So here the classification based on their degrees are yes done. Now yes we have to see the classification based on the number of terms के बेस पे कितने कितने yes terms है उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा क्लासिफिकेशन. Now the first one x plus 7. So there are the two terms. First term is x and second term is 7. So x plus 7. So here there are the two terms. So this will come under the binomial. X plus 7, comma. Now next one, x square is alone here. In this polynomial only x square is present, and when term is present, then it is called as the monomial. So this will come under the x monomial. Now see the here x cube x square plus x plus 5. So there are the total 5 terms. कितने term? 4 terms है. कितने हैं? 4 terms है यहाँ पे. So yes, now this will come under the, this will not come under the monomial, binomial and trinomial. ये किसी के भी अंडर आएगा नहीं. This will be only yes called as the yes polynomial. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? पोलिनोमियल सिर्फ बोलेंगे, बिकॉज x इसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स क्या है? 4 है, और यहाँ 4 के लिए yes कोई प्लेस नहीं है, बिकॉज yes monomial bear 1 terms, binomial bear the 2 and trinomial 3. Now see the next one, 2x square plus 5x plus 10. So here there are the 3 terms, so this will come under the trinomial. 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Now see the next one, x cube plus 9. So there are the two terms, that's why this will come under the binomial. X cube plus 9. Next one, 3x square plus 5x. There are the two terms, so this will also come in the binomial. 3x square plus 5x. Okay, understood student? Yes, if you have any doubt you can ask to me. Yes, unmute yourself. किसी को भी कुछ डाउट्स है तो तुम पूछ सकते हो. देन आई विल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट. Yes student, is anybody having any doubt? किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है? टेल मी. यस अदरा स्पार्क, डू यू हैव एनी डाउट? कुछ डाउट्स है क्या आपको? यू आर रेजिंग हैंड. हसन एंड हुसैन, कुछ डाउट्स है या किसी भी स्टूडेंट को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या? अंडरस्टूड. एंड व्हाई आर अदर्स आर नॉट अटेंडिंग द लेक्चर? जस्ट इन्फॉर्म टू देम. Yes student, are you listening to me what I am saying? Inform to other students, those who are not attending the lectures, and those who are attending the lecture, they are also not regular. We are taking the lectures every day for you only, and you are not attending the lecture, then what will be its use? Unzera,